In today's tutorial, we'll show you how to export a transparent video in Adobe Premiere Pro CC completely for free. If you want to see more, drop a like, share the video, and subscribe for more. If you want to learn how I create content online and save hundreds of hours per year, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and enjoy the tutorial. So the first step is I have a video that is removed the green screen background. And I want to export this as a transparent video so that I can overlay it onto another video or picture. So we're going to click Ctrl+M on the keyboard, and this is going to bring up the export settings, and then under format you want to click the drop down arrow, and then you want to click down over here where it says QuickTime, which is above Targa and below PNG, and then right here under preset you also want to click down the drop down arrow, and you want to scroll down and click GoPro Sign Form RGB 12-bit with alpha at maximum bit depth. And then once this has been loaded, you can scroll down under video. For basic video settings, if you want the quality to be high, you can click this and drag this to the right, so now it's the highest quality, and then save it under the output name wherever you want to save it as. And then now when we click export, we'll be right back. Locate the video that you have just exported as it's now transparent. As you can see here, we have the video. So if I drag it onto the project bin and then I drag it onto the timeline, you can now see that we do have a successful transparent video. Again, if you want to learn how you can save hundreds of hours and money online per year creating content, click the link down below, scan the QR code, and thanks for watching this tutorial.